Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to another episode recorded during our 2021 summer vacation in Turkey. Today we are hailing from my father's house, which is located on the northern part of Aegean Sea. This is the Aegean Sea. We are on the European continent this time, and this is a big bay called Saros Bay. And today we have a Ryze Tello Iron Man Edition. This is a camera drone, and the technology for this drone comes from the DJI and Intel. I believe the chipset is Intel, and it has some electronic stabilization technologies as well as other technologies enhancing the video and pictures that are taken by this. I purchased this Tello from eBay, through eBay, about a year ago. I just didn't have chance to review it, and this is, I think, the perfect opportunity. The wind outside died down, so I may be able to take some videos outdoors using this. I got this on an auction for $76, and the shipping was $5. With the tax, I paid $85.75. Now, it wasn't brand new, but it was listed as open box. I think it was only used for just demonstrating by the seller. And let's open it up and see what is inside. But before doing that, let's take a look at the box. Nowhere on the box it says Ryze, except here in small print it says Tello is a trademark of Ryze Technologies, and this is from 2018, about 3 years old. Model is TLW004, and it's claiming a lot of things. I already downloaded the app, so this is a Tello Marvel app, and you can just go there by scanning this QR code, and it will take you to the Google Play Store, App Store. And it has the Tello Hero app, multiple flight modes, precise hovering, it claims. I think it has a camera looking down, electronic image stabilization, 13 minutes of flight time. It's a little hard to believe, but again, this is a DJI technology, so it may very well be that long. It doesn't have high definition HD video, but it has 720p. It is claimed to be HD, but usually HD is 1080. But this should be still good. 5 megapixel pictures and some programmable Tello app. So let's open it up and see. I may have to switch cameras, so let's see if I can do this with my one hand while I'm holding my camera. Here's kind of like a clamshell, made not out of plastic but some compressed paper. And here you see this tiny little camera, optical flow positioning sensor, and it has two little lenses. I'm not sure if these are like infrared detector to keep it on one spot, because this doesn't have GPS. And here we have the on-off switch on the side over here, and then this is the battery bay on the back, and it comes with the prop guards, propeller guards. I believe I should be able to remove them. When I fly inside these drones, I always keep these protectors on, but outside, if you end up landing on a tree, these help hanging from the drone from the tree, so it's not good. And it also, in the wind, these act like sails and it makes it less stable, and it gives extra weight to the drone. So I'm going to take these off when I'm flying outside, and there is some slight breeze, not too bad right now. Here is the battery. It should be sliding in like this, and here is the package, the rest of the package. Let's open it up and see what is inside. A small little manual. It doesn't even say manual. Here are the QR codes for Tello manual and Tello Hero app. That was also outside of the box. What is in the box? We have 2 sets of spare propellers. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to even open this. This is brand new. And then little prop remover tool is inside as well. The cable for charging the battery, and the way I see from the battery, it needs to be installed inside, and the charging port is on the side. So this is too bad. I wish the battery had its own charging port. So if you have multiple batteries, you can charge them separately from the drone. Here you have to install it to the drone and start charging like that. And I think that's it. Product information, prop remover tool, yes, everything. That's it, very basic. And I have already downloaded the app on my phone. Here's the app over here. If I start this, Tello Iron Man. Okay, now I have to charge the battery and connect it. Oh, by the way.
Greetings, recruit. I am Friday, Tony Stark's AI assistant. Congratulations on your induction into the pilot program and being entrusted with one of Stark Industries' latest mini drones. We have detected some hostile forces in your area, and Iron Man needs your help. As a rookie pilot, you will learn to master the technological capabilities of your drone and harness the skills necessary
to tell
to survey and
whole
protect your
fake
neighborhood.
story, I guess, and teach me how to fly. I'm going to put the battery in, charge it up, and then be back and learn how to fly this. Let's go back to Tello app. Comes back here, okay. Let's back out of
To
here.
get you up to speed, you will be tasked with completing 4 training missions. Let's get started.
Alright, I guess it is
Select a mission.
here, maybe?
For your first mission, we'll cover basic flight controls, takeoff, and landing.
I hope you can see this. I'm just going to put it away from me, facing away.
To complete this mission, you will need to fly the drone to the waypoint, designated by the green dot on your map.
I hope I have enough space here.
Return to and land back at your starting position.
Okay.
Tap the takeoff button and swipe right on your phone to launch the drone.
Let's bring it down a little bit.
Now follow the flight path to your target destination. You can also note the safety circle is now activated. Please only fly your Tello in a circle with a 2-meter diameter.
Well, it is very stable.
The drone around and land
So I flew it where I was supposed to go. Let's bring it back.
land the drone at this destination to complete the mission.
Oh, land button. Here we go. Land. Maybe it wants. Okay, I'm going to land it manually. Here we go.
Congratulations. You've just completed your first mission.
Alright, that's good. Let's go to the next mission.
Mission failed. Land the drone.
Oh, whatever. Let's quit this nonsense. Do you want to quit missions? Yes, I want to quit missions. Okay, now let's fly it the way I want. Does this take off manually? So let's see. No, I guess I have to do the swiping takeoff. Let's bring it down a little bit and let's rotate it. Of course, I'm used to flying now 3-channel helicopters, so there we go. Let's go back a little bit. This is not headless mode, so I'm controlling. It's very stable. I mean, look at that. It's very stable. So I'm going to take which is the picture? I think this is the video. Yeah, it is taking a video right now. Let's go up a little bit. Alright, and then let's stop the video. And how do I take a picture? Is that the picture? Camera? Yeah, so it's taking a picture. Look over there, Kaya. Let's take a picture of my son playing on his phone.
Not his phone.
Oh, it's your phone?
Yeah.
Alright. Cora, take a look. Oh, thank you for not smiling. Okay.
What if you swipe it? That
And now let's do a manual landing. Just going to bring it down slowly. And it doesn't come down. Very nice. Yeah. Alright, folks. Let's take another picture. And I think it is time to recharge the battery and take it outside and do some of the other options. I mean, I'm going to learn a little bit more in the next half an hour while the battery is charging, and then take it outside and then do some aerial photography and videography.